Question 5 asks, Michael filled the box and said that its volume was 60 triangle pattern blocks. Addison filled the same box and said its volume was 30 cubes. And this first part says, explain how Michael and Addison could get different volumes for the same box. This question asks us to think back to the lesson where we were filling boxes with different pattern blocks. And if you recall, some pattern blocks fit better into the boxes than others. And the reason was because of their shape. Some of their shapes, like triangles or hexagons, don't fit as well into a rectangular prism as do other shapes, like the square pattern blocks or even cubes. And so we could answer this first question with Michael and Addison could get different volumes because they used different shapes. And some of those shapes don't fit as well as others. If you use different words to answer that question, that's okay. But the idea is that some shapes don't fit into other shapes, and so there's space between them. They don't pack in tightly. And that brings us to B, the next part. Are triangle pattern blocks or cubes better for measuring the volume of a rectangular prism, and why? Well, cubes are better for measuring the volume because they stack and pack into the box, the rectangular prism, with very few gaps and overlaps. Because they pack a box, which is a rectangular prism, with few gaps or overlaps. And that gives us a much more accurate measurement of volume.